Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo, and for today we will unbox our new unit from Canon Philippines. So currently, as you may know, I'm working for Canon and I'm their creative designer there. So ayan, meron tayong bagong unit for us to use for our video edits, graphic design, and other creative stuff. So pinadala nila to today and I'm so excited kasi it's been a while since we've had our upgrade for the workstation. So, since alam naman natin na mabilis mag-upgrade ngayon yung ating technology, so kailangan sumabay ng workstation namin kasi we're currently editing 10-bit footages and yeah, we need a powerful workhorse when we do edit those kind of video footages. So this is the MacBook Pro M1 chip, 16 inches. So this is the box. It's big, guys. This is my hand. So this is the box. Oh, okay. Let's see what's in the back. So this is a 16.2 inches, 64 gigabyte M1 Max. So 1 terabyte SSD. So alam natin talaga na pang hardcore video edit and also animation and other multimedia design stuff. So let's try to open and see what's inside the box. So as you may notice, sobrang sleek lang. Nothing fancy. So minimal and sleek finish box packaging. So right off the bat, so there you go. As you may know, makikita natin agad itong MacBook Pro. So this is the 16-inch version. So let's take a look, quick look. So let's open it up. Okay, so this is the MacBook Pro out of the box. So, mamaya na natin i-open. Let's see kung ano pang nasa loob pa ng box natin. So, medyo malaki yung box natin. Kaya, check natin. Okay, next is the MagSafe. So, kung mapapansin nyo, bago na yung design ng MagSafe natin ngayon, especially this cable. And what's good about this one is the materials changed. So kung dati yung mga cables natin for our chargers, madaling masira kasi madali ding lumutong lalo kapag naiinitan and also yung storage natin. Kaya good thing na ganito na yung material ng power cable or power cord ng mga bagong MacBook Pro para at least mas matibay and mas matagal nating gamitin bago tayo magpalit. So, ayan. And again, MagSafe na ulit siya. You heard it right, MagSafe. So, hindi na siya ulit Type-C. So, hindi na siya agaw ng slot sa USB hub nyo. Pwede nyo na tong agad i-charge while you connect your other devices sa inyong MacBook Pro. So this is the power cable or power cord. So that's it. Let's put it here. Then let's check. Kung mapapansin nyo, nag-iba na yung placement kasi binuksan na rin ng IT namin just to check if all is well pagka-deliver. So, but personally, hindi ko pa nakikita yung loob. Kaya, ay, wow. Black yung sticker ngayon. So, usually white to. So, ngayon black yung free. Then, user manual. So, kailangan nyo itong basahin. Lalo kapag ka first time MacBook Pro or MacBook user nyo. And other thing, wala na. So, balik natin to. Kasi di natin to masyadong ginagamit. And also, inaalagaan natin to kasi hindi rin sa atin tong unit. So, kailangan kung paano natin nakuha, ganun na din natin ibabalik at some point in time. So, this is the power brick. So, medyo malaki siya compare sa normal power brick na meron tayo ngayon. Actually, hindi siya malaki. Lumapad lang siya. Actually, mas maliit nga siya. Okay, so this is the power brick. So, ayan siya. Nandito nyo ilalagay yung power cord, which is this one. Type C. Then, MagSafe. Okay. So, I think that's it for the box. Medyo chunky lang yung box, pero it protects the MacBook Pro. Sa packaging pa lang. So, okay. So, that's for the unboxing. Now, let's check what's inside our MacBook Pro. Now, let's check what's inside our MacBook Pro 16 inches. Okay, first thing na na-notice ko, medyo makapal siya at medyo may kabigatan. And, ayan, tagalin natin yung paper. So, there we go. Wow. Hello? Hola. Los gets. Hello. So, pinaka-favorite kong kino-customize dito is yung trackpad kasi madami ka nang pwedeng gamitin or gawin sa trackpad and kapag ka na set up nyo siya, lalo yung soft touch. So, very usable niya talaga. And also yung mga shortcuts like 4 fingers, 3 fingers.